Feel back today and tomorrow, and actually from there we're just going to be warming up. So if you do like the cool holiday feel, I would definitely say get outside or enjoy it however you can today and tomorrow before we get back almost to 70 pretty quickly later in the week. Our coldest morning is going to come tomorrow. There is a light freeze or frost possible north of the lake. We'll see what the cloud cover kind of has an impact, or whether that has an impact on how far our temperatures can fall tonight. And then we do expect a warmer midweek, and looking now, like I was mentioning, it could stay warm all the way through the weekend. So it was even just yesterday looking like a chilly holiday, kind of almost Christmas feeling weekend ahead. Now it looks a little different, with temperatures likely staying warmer. At least that's how it's looking right now. Temperatures right now only in the 50s. We do have some 30s off to the north of our area into Tennessee, northern Mississippi and Alabama, as cooler air has moved in there. And our front is now to the south of us. And look at all this cloud cover. Now I do think the sun is going to burn through a little bit and show itself in spots, at least at times, as we get into this afternoon. You can see some thinning here along our coast, and then a little bit in southwest Mississippi and a bit even farther north. But I'm not sure how much of a decrease in the cloud cover overall we'll see for tonight. At least a few clouds likely remaining through tonight. Our models have been showing, though, clearing skies for tonight, so that's why the temperature question is there, whether it will actually get to that freeze and frost range or might stay just above. We saw a similar morning about a week ago where the clouds stayed and it kept our temperatures higher than expected. But I would say for tonight, as that high pressure is building in, do expect at least getting close to frost range north of the lake, likely around 40 south of the lake. And then when the high pressure shifts east, that's our recipe for getting in more easterly and eventually southeast winds, and that should warm us up. Look at these clouds. Even this morning, I was seeing patches of blue sky, and now we're seeing a really cloudy look out there for the most part. Some breaks of sun, as I was mentioning, are expected. Our winds from the north at about 15 miles per hour sustained, but the yellow numbers are showing our gusts near 20 or 25 miles per hour. So that's another thing. After the front passed through, we're now looking at a breezy setup, although I do think our winds will be coming down by tonight, and then overnight we'll see those temperatures south of the lake dipping into the 40s and those winds coming down. So today, clouds mixed with maybe a bit of sun at times and staying cold in the 50s. And then tonight we'll say 30s north, lower 40s south of the lake, frost possible north of Lake Pontchartrain. But again, our models are even showing temperatures maybe a touch higher than what we were thinking. If we do keep clouds, that tends to keep temperatures from falling off too much. South of the lake, lower 40s. If you're away from the city, we might have a few upper 30s sneaking in south of Lake Pontchartrain as well. And looking at our upper pattern, we were looking at a big drop of chilly air for the week.